Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content coming your way. Alright my peeps, love upon me and I love upon you. Now my peeps, I have half pack of green split peas, alright? And you see picture this, so guys, we're gonna try to create something like that. So we're gonna make some split peas and saltfish or codfish in some coconut milk or coconut cream. All right, let's get into it. We're gonna put some water in the pot here. So that's 2 cups and that's another 2. All right, so that's 6 cups. And I rinsed my peas already and we're gonna pour it here. Yeah, come on now guys. Anyhow, that's that. You don't want to salt it right now, all right, because later I'm gonna put some season to it. So we're gonna put half teaspoon salt. We're gonna semi season this split peas, all right? So I'm gonna put some all-purpose pimento green, allspice. I'm gonna put like a teaspoon of olive oil for now. I beat 1 scallion. I'm gonna put that in. I'm gonna give it a little stir. You're gonna cook it for about 35 to 45 minutes until it's soft. If it takes a little bit more, so be it. All right, and then I'm gonna come back. All right guys, this is how it's looking when it starts to bubble. Go ahead and turn down your stove and let it slow cook, because you don't want all this goodness to boil over and boil out. Okay, so this is where we're at. So it's not cooked, still tough. All right, so we're gonna let it really cook and mash out. So give this another, it's over half an hour now guys, so I'm gonna give this another 20-25 minutes. All right, so we want everything to mash out. Okay, so this is where we're at. It's cooked now. You see how it look nice? So you want to make sure you put enough water, because you're gonna make like a stew, right? We're not gonna chew none of water, all that goodness I'm gonna boil them back into this. Okay, so I'm gonna turn my stove down, way down. All right, I'm gonna just let that go and simmer down a minute more. All right, now over here I have a piece of saltfish. I'm gonna boil this about 2 times. I rinsed it off already. I'm gonna put 1 Maggi cube, give it flavor. You can put some katsu if you want. I'm gonna put a little black pepper. I have my blended season here. I will leave a link, and I'm gonna put like a tablespoon. It has garlic, pimento, thyme, onion, cilantro, parsley, ginger, the whole shebang. I will leave a link. It's gonna give it flavor, right? All right, so turn this down, make it go and simmer. All right, I'm gonna add about 2 teaspoons, 1, 2, olive oil, my extra virgin. And over here guys, I have 1 onion and some scallion, and I have some scotch bonnet pepper. I'm not gonna put the pepper yet. Okay, so we're gonna fry up the onion and the scallion first. We're gonna get the flavor out of it here guys. Alright, here I have some ginger paste, some garlic paste, and I'm gonna add a little bit more of my blended seasoning, going with about a tablespoon and about a teaspoon of each garlic and ginger. Alright guys, I'm gonna put my saltfish or my codfish. I just pick it up and add a little bit of black pepper to it. And here I have some turmeric. I'm gonna put like a teaspoon. Alright, I'm gonna give this about a minute to fry up the curry. and then I'm I'm gonna add my split peas. I just put my pepper in. I'm gonna dip like another half teaspoon of olive oil. Now I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of coconut cream. You can put about 1/4 cup. I'm not gonna overdo it, okay? But you can put 1/4 cup, even 1/3. Gonna let this cook down a little bit. Let the coconut cook. Give this another 2 to 3 minutes. Can you see the goodness here, guys? Now we're gonna come over here. We're gonna grab our peas, and you're gonna pour everything in. Whoops! Watch it, watch it. Watch it, guys. Turn your stove down. We're gonna just let this simmer down. You can cut some bell peppers and put in it. Oh, this is okay. Alright. This nice with some white rice, some roti. Look at that goodness, guys. Alright, you're gonna taste it for salt. Perfect. Alright, we're gonna cover it. Cover it for about 2 minutes and then that's it. Alright guys, you see I look pretty? Look pretty like money. Alright, stove off. Look at the goodness here, guys. Yes, piece of saltfish. Lots of onion, lots of blended season, lots of flavor. And you don't want to make it too watery, or you don't want to make it too, dry. This is just right. Look at that. So this is my stew, green split peas with some coconut milk and some saltfish or codfish. Serve it up with some roti. Guys, they also call this dal. My Guyanese girlfriend called this dal. So this is a split peas dal. Okay? I'm gonna taste it. I mean, how it tastes?
It tastes good.
I mean, you said it tastes good. First, he's trying it.
Not the first type of one, but like that one.
Yeah, with the coconut milk. Saltfish.
That feels good, man.
And it's healthy too. Alright guys, that's it. So good. I love it. Bye guys.